Hello guys, so I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to be playing this game. I got no webcam, so I don't know, but I'm sorry you cannot hear the audio for the game, but it's just, I will fix that soon, but for right now, I guess I can't do that. But, let's start off this. So I have high score, but let me turn this up. And then, if you just do all these, you don't even have to really do anything. Who am I missing? Oh yeah. And then, who else did I have? I like this guy. He's easy. And then, oh, this person's really easy. Oh, Old Man Consequences. Actually, no, I really hate that one. I think I'm gonna go with this. And then I'll do a couple challenges. Yep, got it. Got my fingers in the right place. Yep. Alright. Let's get this going. First thing I'll do is get him out of here. Oh, dang! You already got me. God, I'm only 25 seconds in. Final. Oh, fan. Oh, no. Where's it? There's. Hate the golden fire is annoying. Where's the phone call thing? Oh, there it is. Yep, call. Nope. No. Three. Oops. Ah. Okay. This guy. You go. You. There we go. Maybe on my next video I will put this on my speakers. And then, well, next video will definitely have audio. Yeah, come on. Didn't even let me. Don't you dare scare me. Oh. Oh, I'm in the dark. Yes. Best thing ever. Alright. I think that's gonna do it for this video. Wait. I think everybody's seen this, so. Oh, I can't even click any buttons. Alright, let's watch. I'm gonna put on audio. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's kind of weird. Ah, the bear doesn't realize. Okay. Oh. That was weird. Gotham did a really good job on this. Alright. Okay. Yeah, that was kind of weird. Sweet. So, guess I'll see you guys in the next video.